Hi guys, it's me Valerie. As you can see, this is not a makeup video. I know I only have two, but that's what I was leaning towards. This video is gonna be about hair dye. So here's the thing. I got my hair professionally done and it didn't come out as I wanted it. So basically, I went to a salon, paid a huge amount of money, and I got this. The goal was a purple ombre, but the guy charged me $300 for blue ends. That's not the only thing. When he realized my hair turned out blue, he tried to mask it by putting purple dye on top of it, which washed out the next day. After that, I started to notice a lot of the blue strands that were supposed to be purple just faded to brown, like this strand. As you can see, this side of my hair is completely blue and this one is not. This looks like I did it at home, so since it looks like I did it at home anyway, I'm gonna touch it up at home. I'm gonna use Splat. I watched Gabby use it, so I hope it works. Since my hair is already blue, I'm just gonna stick to it. This is what it looks like at the back. Anyways. I only bought one bottle of the Blue NB because I'm not doing my whole head. I'm just touching up the strands that need more dye. Hopefully it's a close enough blue to this. Let's get started. I'm gonna change into clothes I can damage. So I've brushed out my hair, detangled it. Hopefully the color I already have and the one I'm applying are similar. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is divide my hair in sections. Another thing, when he dyed my hair, he said he was gonna dye the top half black. Well, that's gone because it's back to brown. I don't know what he was using, what dye he was using. Drugstore lasts longer, honestly. Some instructions say to apply petroleum jelly everywhere because you will stain everything. We're gonna separate the strands that need help. See? Wow. Okay. I just shook the bottle and I forgot I already took the cap off. And it's everywhere. Oh god. I'm gonna have to bleach my bathroom after this. I don't know if you can see that. That doesn't look like that's gonna come off. And there's another one down here. Don't worry, we'll fix that later. For now, I'm just gonna apply some dye. It's really liquidy. Guess I could bring this up a little bit. See, here's a good strand that's basically brown. Oh my god, there's a giant splat on the floor. I'm just spreading it everywhere. This side is already pretty blue, right? Here you can clearly see the brown strand that just didn't take any color. compared to this. So let's coat it. People say Splat doesn't smell like anything. It smells like pen ink, and it looks like pen ink. And there's also different shades of blue. He didn't just not make my hair purple, he made it blue, but he also put 30 shades of blue, which is great. Maybe I should have gotten some black to make my eyes darker, to make the whole effect better. It's a little late for that. The struggle with long hair. This side is pretty good. I might as well. Oh my god. Look at the giant splash of freaking blue. So I think I did all the strands that were missing blue. I still have quite a lot, so I'm just gonna keep applying till I run out or till I'm satisfied. One thing I am hoping for is that this doesn't turn my hair black, because my hair is already dark, and that it doesn't change the blue color I already had into another kind of blue or something. Brown roots and black and blue ends. Not what I'm going for. On camera, this looks really blue. In person, it's kind of dark. I'm done. I don't know if the camera caught that, but did you hear my cat calling me? I'm finding it kind of hard to stop. I feel like I need more, you know? I'm gonna be upset if I miss a spot. So, this is the finished result. Oh shit. Okay. Wow, I have blue everywhere. There's a slight problem. So I used gloves for nothing because this happened. This happened. My arms. Oh my god. It's fine. I'm gonna set a timer. I'm gonna set a timer while I clean all of this. So that's the process of applying it. I'll be back when it's done processing, washing, and I'll style it. See you then.
Alright, so I left on a dye for 2 hours, then washed it off with shampoo and conditioner as usual, and this is how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. As you can see, it was much better doing it at home than at a salon. If you want to see more videos from me, including makeup videos or more hair dyeing videos, just comment down below, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!